Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin. Worried about AI? You're not alone. The annual Trends and Future report from Ford finds 68% of those surveyed believe AI will create massive job losses for others. Interestingly enough, a much lower 39% are worried that they will be replaced in their job by AI. Ford also found shifting priorities when it comes to work-life balance.
Taking care of themselves. They are looking more towards themselves and trying to cut out toxic relationships. One of the really interesting responses that we got this year was that more than half of the workforce globally would accept a 20% pay cut in order to get a better quality of life.
Ford's Senior Trends and Futuring Manager, Miguel Mancia. Find more at fordtrends.com. You can find us at techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at techstination.com.